Quality fencing supply and installation, Toowoomba. Fence Constructions is a Toowoomba-based company supplying and installing a complete range of quality fencing solutions. Well established in the local market, this respected mobile business offers excellent tax benefits, a high profit margin, and extensive customer base. Turnover is more than $500,000 a year, and the business comes with 5 months' work on the books. The database includes some 1,100 contacts, including residential, real estate agents, body corporates, builders, and government. Well known for quality work, the company's proven lead generation process attracts 4 to 10 inquiries a week. Around 60% of leads come through the website, plus plenty of repeat business and word of mouth. The business supplies and fits all types of fencing, as well as arbors, retaining walls, and automatic gate systems. The sale includes extensive plant and equipment, including 2 vehicles, Husqvarna core drill, cement mixers, compressors, tools, and more. A new owner might expand the business by concentrating on the huge amount of commercial work available in this area. Fence Constructions is an excellent business with proven sales, so be quick to put in your best offer.